Hey guys, today I'm going to talk about a very famous website named Playlist Push. So in this website you can earn money by just listening music or audios. So if I tell you I'll give you money if you listen my music. For example, suppose I am a singer and you are a listener. So you will listen my music, you will listen all of my music and review and post and comment there, and I'll give you money. This website is just like that. So let's look at here. If you are a singer, you can click the button here for artist, or if you are a listener, you just click on the button for curators. So you can get to know that get paid to review songs. We pay you to listen and review songs. If you like it, we ask you to consider adding it to one of your playlists. To qualify as a curator, you need to own a playlist with at least 400 followers on either Spotify, Deezer, or Apple Music. So paid per review. As we know, if you review for a song, they will give you money. Depending on your reputation and engagement, you can earn up to $12 per song. So $12 per song is incredibly good. So weekly payouts. Request your payouts at any time. We pay out every Friday via PayPal. So PayPal is a very trusted transaction system. So support indie artists. Each time you place a song, you help artists gain new fans and grow their following. Discover new music. Discover new music by independent artists for your playlist. All you have to do is sign me up button. Click on that sign me up button, and you will log into your account and you'll start to earn money. So if you have any problem or if you don't believe this site, just go to the site Trustpilot reviews. So when you go to the trustpilot.com, you just search the name here. So then the website name is Playlist Push. Just search the name here and you'll get all the reviews. So another one, this service is amazing. So if the song is good, you will see invest in yourself. There's Ryan Glover, Persia Gray, Ben, Tomar Aaron. So there are lots more reviews if you can see them. Okay.